All right, good morning. It is, what is today? Tuesday. Gosh, I don't even remember what day it is. Tuesday, the 12th. And my first setup of the day here, trading just CL, so just the two domes on the left. Not paying any attention to the equities or anything. Don't care about any of that right now. So, at the moment, oil had a pretty decent range overnight. Oil has definitely been in play the last couple of days. It's been moving a lot. Most of that doesn't really impact me, but it's worthy of, worthy of note. Nice sweep to the downside. Okay, so I would say the downside is in play. I would like to play here and there. Whoops, nope. There. Yep, those are my spots. So I'm getting them in a minute ahead of time, but I feel real good about those spots. And the energy right now has been pushing pretty aggressively to the downside. Deltas are the wrong way around, which is worthy of note. Admittedly, this is only the overnight, so the regular open could change things. Who knows? But right now, anyway, we're not too high, we're not too low. We got UB at the low, we've got a price projector at the high. So, yeah, I'm liking this for a downside break. 30 seconds to go in the overnight. We've got some aggressive buyers right here, and right now they're winning, but they're fighting with some... Oh, hello. Okay. The buyers just took control. Let's see if they can keep pushing. Okay, right here is where the passive sellers are hanging out. What are they going to do on the open? Here we go. A period wiggle. Boom. And my news alert goes crazy. Don't care about any of that right now. And we are trying to push to the upside, but the passive sellers are holding it. It's just a brick wall of selling right there. And it looks like we're going to head down. Let's see if we can get some follow through there. There are some buyers there at the low for sure. But somebody's going to give. It's going to either head up or head down, one or the other for sure. So who's it going to be? Looking like down to me. Let's see if we can get the follow through. Wow, okay. Buyers are trying to hold it up. And they're succeeding. Nope. And the sellers knock it back down again. They're just playing ping pong with this. Pretty balanced profile. It's very small profile. You know what? Let's just even move in on this a little bit here so we can see it better. Don't really need to do it on both, but I will just because. There we go. There's the blast to the downside. Buyers have lost. And let's see if the sellers can just push on down. Oh, okay, the buyers are not giving up without a fight. Look at that. Delta's moving around like crazy right now. Okay, here comes that brick wall of selling overhead. So far, again, it is still holding. There's the aggressives coming in. They're pushing hard. We got UB at the low. Certainly seems feasible to push that. But let's see what they can do. Yeah, the brick wall keeps holding. Question is, are the sellers going to eventually run out of steam? Buyers will take over, or are the buyers going to run out of steam and just let the sellers overrun them? Okay, that was a good attempt by the buyers to push, but they couldn't do it. Okay, we're entering the brick wall, and they're knocking it back down again. Boy, they're really just stuck in this little area. I think it could really just pop once it finally blasts through here and one side or the other gives up and pukes out. There they go. And aggression. We had a zero print. Yep. And there's that strong push I was thinking was likely. But the buyers are still trying to buy it. Every push down is getting bought. That's really interesting. We do have a price rejector at the low as well. And it looks like they're going to push higher. Oh, and the sellers just knock it back again. Boy. It's a bit lopsided of a profile now, though. Now it's actually looking like upside from a purely profile perspective. Very interesting. Just got a duel between the passive buyers and the passive sellers. They're both just sitting here, just putting up walls and just bouncing it back and forth between them. It's basically just trading the delta range. All right, are we going to push lower? We've got a price rejector at the low and not at the high. So I'm still, at the moment, from a profile perspective, I'm thinking long, but I certainly wouldn't trade it based on that. Not for my setup anyway. So I'm still looking for the short right now because that's the extreme that's in play for me. What's gonna happen? There we go. They're pushing. Price rejector's holding. Price rejector has gotten a little bit better, in fact. Okay, it's still looking quite good. Yep. Okay. It's holding. Are the sellers going to take another stab at it? If they can break down that pattern, then we have a chance of going lower. If they can break it down, I think we have a high probability of going lower. So far, they are continuing to push. They're not giving up. The buyers right here, though, keep holding it. Min delta keeps holding. Price rejector is still solid. It's doing a really good job. It might be about to improve even more. Yeah, they might break it. Let's see. I'm working on it. Here it goes. Here it goes. Yep. There it goes. Boom. All right. And here comes my trade. And okay, there. Man, I'm out. Before I could even say it, I'm in and I'm out. All right, cool. That trade is done. I had, looks like, a little bit of slippage on my funded account. $10 worth. Not a big deal. So there we go. That setup is done and dusted, and we'll move on to the next one.